examples of trade setups that you can use using ICT's ideology, and I would recommend watching his free mentorship on YouTube. However, so I understand that some of you guys may not be of the required level to understand his content, and you may not have the time to watch the 15 hours or whatever of his entire series. So first of all, we're going to be talking about liquidity void. Liquidity void generally happens during high impact news or sometimes at the beginning of market opens for no apparent reason. You can safely assume that these liquidity voids are going to be tapped. There's a high likelihood. And generally what you'll see is it will create a bit of supply and demand, which we'll get into eventually in another video. But as you can see, price will move impulsively upwards, which creates liquidity, and otherwise known as liquidity void. Price will then sharply move back down, back into this demand zone, and price may return back up. The other one, which we've vaguely talked about, was low resistance liquidity runs, but this is similar to what we spoke about earlier as old highs or old lows. So price will move below the recent low and to take liquidity down here, and we will generally see a reversal. So if you see these equal lows, it is quite safe to assume the price will break below it. As you can briefly reach here, it's basically what I've said here. Now the other thing here is fair value gaps he talks about, but we said this already. They act as magnets. Price can move up. You can use it to take profit or enter positions. Now that was a really quick video explaining two other well, we've already gone over fair value gaps in another video, but I just wanted to cover that really quickly before we move forward. Thanks for listening and enjoy.